Hello, welcome to 4DDIC, Network Attached Storage. NAS is a file-level computer data storage server connected to a computer network providing data access to a heterogeneous group of clients. However, we cannot avoid to delete files from the NAS by accident. Can we recover the lost data from NAS? The answer is yes. Please subscribe to us, then you won't miss other helpful video updating. First, download and install it on our PC or Mac. Then launch 4DDIC Data Recovery. You will see the home interface. There are data recovery functions and advanced recovery. Choose the NAS. Enter the information to connect to your NAS. Click Connect. Then choose the type of files you want to recover. Click Scan selected file types. Now 4DDIC starts to find all your lost data. You will see there are lost folders. You can click the File view to look for your data by file type. Or you can even type some keywords of the data's name in the search box to precisely find your data. By the way, you can also find your data by customizing the filter, like file type, file size, modified time. Once you find your data, you can preview and click Recover. You are advised to save the recovered files to a different location, then click Recover. Then click View Recovered to check your data. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. See you in the next video.